Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. I hope you are all doing well. This is grade 5 social studies. We are going to conduct our second lesson of the week. Students, before I start, you people keep your stationery with you so that you may do homework which is assigned to you. So students, we were talking about the climate, that the weather condition of any area over a longer time is climate. The climate of a region may persist for the longer time, while the weather conditions they change day to day. A warm weather may persist for few months, and similarly the rainy season may just continue for few weeks or more than that. But pattern of the weather may change due to certain reasons. We studied that with the change in the weather, there is a change in the activity of the people. In the hot weather, people like to stay inside and wear warm, very light clothes. They usually take the cold beverages, and then their activity is just confined towards the inside of the house, or sometimes people like to go towards the colder regions for spending their time in a better way. While during the winter days, usually the weather is cold, people try to sit outside in the sun to get the warmth, and similarly sometimes outside games or indoor games both can be played. People wear warm clothes, they eat hot and dry fruits, and similarly some other measurements are taken to stop or reduce the effects of cold weather. But how does the climate change? We see that during the winter days, usually peaks are covered with snow, and during the summer days, the peaks start melting. Anyhow, there is always a climate change. Why this is a change? From the 20th century to onwards, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has caused this change. And due to this change is the increase in the temperature of the earth. Since the temperature of the earth is increased, this is causing the delay of summers. Summers are expanded to more than 6 months in our country especially. Usually the burning of the fossil fuels, the pollution in air, and many other factors, they cause the climate change. Now these climate changes and are just becoming a hazard for the life on the earth. How? We will talk about it further in our next lesson. Now we will talk about our two homework questions. The first one is, what are some factors that influence the climate? So we can just name few factors: latitude, altitude, ocean currents, land masses, topography, atmospheric circulation, greenhouse gases, solar radiations. So these are few factors which can cause the climate change, and these can influence the climate. Now we will read in detail in upcoming lessons, but right now let's have another short question. What is the climate change? Climate change is the change in the climate of the region or on a global scale. This change can be for a region, or it can be a bigger change, and it could be at the global scale. So students, these were short questions for your today's homework. do them and submit them in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.